No fewer than 10,000 people from 100 countries have so far registered to attend the upcoming International Workshop on Research Informatics, a module of research methodology at the Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria. The online international workshop, organized by the university, is expected to be conducted on Monday, the 9th of September 2024. Some of the countries include Afghanistan, Albania, Algeria, Angola, Antigua, Argentina, Armenia, Australia, Austria, Bahrain, Bangladesh, Barbados, Belgium, Benin, Botswana, Brazil, Brunei, Bulgaria, Burkina, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Cambodia, Cameroon. Others are Canada, Chad, China, Croatia, Cyprus, Czech Republic, Denmark, Dominican Republic, Egypt, Ethiopia, Finland, France, Georgia, Greece, Guyana, Hungary, India, Indonesia, Iran, Iraq, Italy, Japan, Jordan, Kazakhstan, Kenya, Kosovo, Kuwait, Lesotho, Liberia, Macedonia, Madagascar, Malawi, Malaysia, Maldives, Mauritania, Mexico, Morocco, Nepal, Netherlands. Additionally, other countries include New Zealand, Niger, Nigeria, Norway, Oman, Pakistan, Palau, Poland, Philippines, Qatar, Romania, Russia, Rwanda, Saudi Arabia, Serbia, Sierra Leone, Singapore, Somalia, South Africa, Spain, Sri Lanka, Switzerland, Sweden, Tanzania, Thailand, Togo, Trinidad and Tobago, Tunisia, Turkey, Uganda, Ukraine, United Arab Emirates, United Kingdom, United States, Uzbekistan, Vietnam, Zambia and Zimbabwe. Among the resource persons expected to make presentation include Professor Nada Ratkovic, Assistant Professor, Department of Quantitative Methods, Faculty of Economics, Business and Tourism, VI University Split, Croatia. Others are Ms. Rana Khan, Assistant Professor, School of Foundation and General Education, Canadian College, Kuwait, and Dr. Miga, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer, Language and Systems, University of Seville, Spain. The university, therefore, used this occasion to extend its gratitude to all registered participants and those who are yet to register for contributing to the success of this event. At the end of the program, all participants will be given an e-certificate.